Hello and welcome everyone. This is me, back to my narration, and for now, let's just see how cool is a one-trip day tour for renting your own Balsa, the floating cottage in Calatagan, Batangas, visiting 4 exciting destination in one expense. This is the meetup place for our Balsa appointment, and we bought our tube ice and 1 gallon of water nearby wet market. Make sure you are ready before calling them because the drop-off place is far from the market.
Ay, salamat Lord! Saka ito pati yung gusto kong balsa na ibigay nyo rin.
Hahatiin po natin ng oras. 2 destination sa umaga, 2 destination sa hapon po, ma'am. Bali, kung ano po yung...
Papicture muna tayo daw bago para meron na oras.
Oh, soda daw na life best, alis na.
Ano na yung ano?
The first destination is going to Little Boracay. Train. Look at that. Kasi mas gusto ko yung grapes.
Pwede din yung pizza bak kukuha mo. Ulit pa daw.
A good spot to start your healthy breakfast while everyone has a chance to enjoy the morning sea because it's so clear, pristine, calm, and relaxing to be at peace from its friendly and safety waters. Cute little Boracay from its white sand with clear low-depth water, but the sand is quite a bit sharp. Be careful.
Makita tayo dalawa.
Our lifeguard has accepted an offer to be one of our cooks. Thank you, Kuya. Wala, nahilo ko. After spending 2 hours, we are now going to the second destination, the snorkeling spot. Well, it is way too deep. Unfortunately, most of us is getting dizzier due to its open sea and the current from ships and other boats. So, we decided to leave the snorkeling area and had our lunch on the third destination. Now, we are in the Starfish Island. It looks the same with little Boracay, only the difference is the tide. Well, I don't know. As far as I could see, there's so many starfishes around. Water level is still above head, but the tide is getting lower.
So ayun, low tide na po sa Starfish Island. Nakikita na po natin yung starfish sa baba. One starfish. At ayun, nakarating na po sila.
Included in your Balsa rental
It's here po
is the free
kasi.
service for your toilet.
Saan isla kayo galing?
Well, what I did is I have to educate my bowel because I want to spend every minute of my body soaking, and it took long enough before they got back.
We're going to Sandbar. Where is that even located? Kaya na pa kami nagka-travel. And now that's the Sandbar over there. Okay, let's go.
Last destination. We knew that we can't swim here, but it's quite divine timing that we were waiting while enjoying the last hours of swimming in Starfish Island. take a look at different design of Balsa for your own choice.
Touchdown, the Sandbar.
And now, we found out that the Sandbar is so beautiful.
Ngayon, mababaw na siya. Low tide. God, it's so dark. So while searching for a perfect shell, like I used to when I'm going to beach, I got this. I'm gonna give this to you.
What I can say about Sandbar is not so bad. It's not
I think we are the last to arrive, and it's a good thing because we don't need to wait in queue. Thank you so much for supporting my content, and make sure to check other videos that I made, and especially our Tagaytay Garden dinner right after this Calatagan day tour. We need a coffee break because we were awake at 3 a.m. from Quezon City just to get here at 7 a.m. A very piece of advice, you'll be needing an extra driver or someone who can for that long.